How many times have you walked into the produce department and looked at all the varieties of squash and just passed them by? Maybe you felt intimidated by them since you weren't sure how to cook them. Well, to help you out, today I want to introduce you to one of my personal favorites, the spaghetti squash. As you can see, they're yellow and oval in shape. Although there are a few different ways to cook them, we like placing a whole spaghetti squash in a large soup pot with about an inch of water. Once the water starts to boil, we'll cover it and let it cook for about 20 to 30 minutes or until it's fork tender. After letting it cool slightly, cut it in half, remove the seeds, and with a fork, scrape out the pulp. As you can see, the squash looks like strands of spaghetti. Today we're keeping things simple and flavorful by sauteing this in some butter, garlic, and a little salt and pepper. Right before taking it off the stove, sprinkle on some slivered basil. Then it's time to dig in. Talk about a delicious way to enjoy a low-carb and keto-friendly side dish. To get the recipe for what we call our Garlicky Spaghetti Squash Skillet, check out our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a swirly spaghetti squash way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.